guys, welcome to another video of What the Fuck Is She Doing Now? Wednesday Addams hair with faux bangs. You're going to split your hair down the middle and part it so you can have two braids on each side. First, we want to clip away everything that's in front of our ears and pull away some sweet tendrils that we can curl later. Clip these sections out of your way so everything is nice and easy and organized. Unclip, and then you're going to start your basic braid behind your ear. Grab a little hairspray to get all those little pieces out of your way. I'm using Oribe Freestyler, and it's just making the braid a little bit smoother to work with. You're going to secure your braid with a little clear rubber band and then move on to the next side. After your braids are secured with rubber bands, you're going to loop them over the top of the crown of your head like a rainbow and pin them into place. Don't be worried about your straggly ends at this point because those are the pieces that we're going to make into faux bangs with our straightening iron. Preheat your iron and then gently swipe across these ends so we can manipulate them to look like bangs. Take your time with this because our ends can look a little funky and we might want to pin them into place as they cool down and they can set into place a little bit better. And don't be afraid to use a little hairspray to set them. Okay, we're almost there setting them into place. If you want to cut the little rubber bands, go right ahead. For me, I felt like my hair was too thick and might just let the whole hairstyle fall apart. But feel free to play around and zhuzh your bangs. Lastly, we're going to take the straightening iron and curl it away from our face to create a nice loose tendril. And there you go, guys. We have our Wednesday Addams hair. Can't wait to dance.